Hello my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be making very delicious mango pudding. This deliciously smooth and velvety mango pudding made with creamy milk, fresh mango, and agar. This delightfully tropical dessert is bursting with the lovely flavors. This soft and creamy mango pudding recipe is an absolute delight. You can really taste the fresh, sweet mango, making it feel like a tropical vacation. So why waste time? Let's begin. I have used homegrown, fresh Himsagar mangoes for this recipe. Peel and cut the mangoes into small dice pieces to obtain a pulp weighing 500 grams. Create a smooth puree by blending diced mango in a blender or a food processor. Add sugar, more or less, depending on the sweetness of the mangoes. Transfer the pureed mango into the designated serving bowl. Utilize a spatula to thoroughly scrape the sides and bottom of the mixer jar in order to retrieve any remaining goodness. Gently heat pan in low flame and add mango pulp, stirring continuously for 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches a simmer. When it reaches a state of gentle boiling, incorporate the milk and stir thoroughly. Meanwhile, combine the corn flour and milk in a small bowl. Thoroughly blend it. Gradually pour corn flour while stirring thoroughly to prevent the formation of lumps and ensure a smooth mixture. Add agar and mix well. Allow it to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes while intermittently stirring. When it simmers, switch off the flame. Apply oil inside the bowl and pour pudding into it. Cover the bowl with aluminum foil or plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. Delicious mango pudding, is a best dessert for a small party or guests, as it can be prepared in advance. This mango pudding recipe captures the taste and flavors of mango very well. Thank you for watching my channel. I truly appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back soon with another authentic and delicious recipe. Bye for now.